A few moments later.
How are we gonna... Oh.
What?
So we don't have the dough hook, so we're gonna use a fork and Anya as our dough hook.
Okay.
Okay?
You're not even blind. Okay. You're not even blind. You're
Yeah,
not.
I think we're good. We're good. Okay.
Pour it in.
So, like a little bit at a time or the whole thing? The whole, okay, so dump all this into the bowl of flour. Just like, yeah, you can, yeah, just do it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, you're good. Okay, now use the fork. Ishika's giving it to you.
Okay.
And then just mix.
I don't like how that feels.
Yeah, mix it and like, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're over here. Okay, that works.
But I don't want to overdo it, right?
What? I don't know what you said. No.
No. Like,
Ishika's saying no.
so how do I know if I overdo it or not?
You're not talking.
How do I know if I'm overdoing it?
I'm just talking. I don't know. I see her lips moving. I don't know what she's saying. Okay.
Okay, you want me to mix fast?
Just so good. To stop? Okay, stop. So we prepped the yeast, right? Yes, we've done it. And we're going to add it, yeah. We're adding flour to the yeast.
Oh.
We'll probably have to do it like slowly. I'm guessing not like, yeah, okay. Do we want to like, wait, should we just do this and just like, ask her to just like scrape it in? Because I feel like she might drop the whole thing. Okay, here. Okay, here. So, here's like a spoon. And you're gonna like hold it like this. And you're gonna slowly pour the powder into the yeast. This is the edge of the bowl. I'll help you hold the bowl.
Okay.
And then you can do it. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, just, yeah.
What?
What? The salt. I was gonna say we never added salt. Okay. And then Anya can pour the rest. We mixed the salt in, so now you can pour the rest of it. Okay. Wait. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Good?
Yeah, keep going. Yes, you're good.
Smells good.
Okay. You're holding the spoon backwards, but okay, there. That would help.
Why you do that? Boy, what the?
Okay.
What is this?
Okay, now you're gonna be the dough hook.
Oh!
Yeah. Now mix.
I'm trying to.
Wait, no, you're turning the bowl. Mix slowly. Yes. Okay. Just keep mixing for now. You're gonna put it in the pan.
What?
Should we add more like water to that or something? Is that good? Okay. Oh, we need it. Okay. Okay, cool.
I feel like a witch brewing in her cauldron.
How does that look so far?
Great. It looks amazing.
Okay. Smell? Yeah, we can smell it. We smell the stuff we put
Good
in.
smell. Good.
I like to move it.
Yeah.
I like to move it.
Yeah, so she has to start kneading it now? With her hands? Or not yet? I have to knead it? Okay.
Yeah, you should need it. You can't torment me anymore.
Did you say something? Just you want me to mix? Okay.